Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Ajhar Husaini, and I want to explain about major genre in literature is film. And my group member is I myself, Nabil Ajhar Husaini, Putri Rasaniah, Raina Siti Ainur Rahmah, and Ririn Teja Kusuma. And first material is film. Film is one of the form of literary work that film is determined by literary technique and literary practice. And literary practice develops specifically feature under the influence of film. Film idiosyncratic mode of presentation such as camera angle, editing, montage, slow and fast motion often varies feature of literary text or can be explained within a textual framework. In spite of their different form and media, drama and film are often categorized under the heading performing art because they use actor as their major means of expression. The most obvious difference between film and drama is the fact that a film is recorded and preserved rather than individually staged in the unique and unrepeatable manner of a theater performance. Film, and particularly videotapes, are like novel, which in theory can be repeatedly read or viewed. The study the study of film has existed for quite some time now as an independent discipline, especially in the Anglo-American world. The most essential element of film can be subsumed under the dimension of space, time, and sound. History of film. In America, cinematic adaptations of narrative literature were carried out at the turn of the century. Among the first narrative films are children's stories such as Cinderella, or novels such as Gulliver Travels, and short stories such as The Legend of Rip Van Winkle. New techniques such as camera movement and editing were also invented. Many of the major genres, such as the Western, slapstick comedy, and love story, were already exist in the early American silent movie. Already by World War I, Hollywood had become the center of the film industry, with a widespread network of cinemas all over America. Outside America, the Russian filmmaker Sergei Eisenstein was was one of the key figures in film history, inventing new technique in the field of film editing in the years after the Russian Revolution. In German, there is a famous contribution, the Expressionist film influenced by psychoanalysis. Expressionist film add a new dimension to visualizing dreams and other physiological phenomena. By the 1930, Hollywood genre included the western, the musical, gangster and adventure movie, science fiction, the horror film, and equivalent costume epics. After World War II, film noir developed as a new genre dealing with corruption in the disillusioned world of the American metropolis. Billy Wilder, Double Indemnity, and Robert Siodmak's The Killer are well-known examples. In post-war Europe, the Italian neorealist film became internationally renowned through directors like Roberto Rossellini, who created realistic topics in authentic surroundings. In the 1980, young African-American filmmakers were able to establish themselves alongside Hollywood directors. Spike Lee, Do the Right Thing, and John C. Langton, Boys and the Hood are examples of a movement which, in literary criticism, had become known as minority literature, including African America, Chicano, gay, and lesbian self-expression. And next material is spatial dimension. Spatial dimension is divided into 8 parts. First, film stock, including black and white or color, high contrast or low contrast, sensitive or less sensitive material, produce effect which directly influence the content of a film. And next, framing. Framing, part of the spatial dimension, is also the framing, whose elements are summarized under the frame term mission scene. And next, camera angle. An important consideration is the camera angle from which a certain scene is to be filmed. It is possible to distinguish between high angle, straight on angle, or low angle shot depending on the position of the camera. And next, lighting is indirectly connected to film stock, for certain light conditions have to be fulfilled according to the sensitivity of the film. And next, camera movement is linked to camera angle and allow for a change of perspective. And point of view, the camera is closely related to issue of point of view in literature and pose similar question. In the majority of film, the perspective is that one omniscient narrator who attempts subjective point of view of character. And next, editing. Editing is one of the major cinematic techniques which have contributed to the flexibility of the medium. And last, montage. The early Russian film developed montage as a film technique which creates effects similar to the use of the rhetorical figure of metaphor and simile in literature to picture or objects that are in no way directly connected can be joined a figurative level through montage. And next material is temporal dimension. The temporal dimension is the time dimension in a story. The temporal dimension in using to support storytelling is limited so that the audience curiosity arises. Film, like literature, can employ the dimension of time in variety of ways. Aspects of a plot which have already been mentioned, such as foreshadowing and flashback, or interwoven level of action and time, can be translated into film. The specific quality of the medium enables the treatment of time in ways that do not exist in other genres. It is, however, not absolutely necessary to resort to special speed in order to lengthen or shorten the temporal dimension. The cinema has other ways to create a discrepancy between the time spent portrayed and the actual time. And last material is acoustic dimension. It was not until the 1920 that the acoustic aspect was added to film, bringing about a radical change of the medium. Information was no longer conveyed merely by means of visual effects such as facial expression, gesture, or subtitle, but also through language, recorded music, and sound effect. Billy Wilder deal with the transition from silent film to sound film in Sunset Boulevard. He played with the concept of verbal or dialogue and non-verbal or facial expression as the two basic dimensions of film. The two main characters, a scriptwriter of the new sound film and a diva from the silent era, personify the differences between word and image, while the visual dimension of the medium is embodied by the diva. The acoustic dimension comes to life in the character of the scriptwriter. In order to give an even sharper picture of the two underlying principles of verbal and nonverbal communication, Wilder adds subjective commentary by the male protagonist, which is built as an interior monologue and act as a deformalizing element, beside dialogue and sound effect. Film music assume a special position and usually support the plot. Volume, sound, rhythm, and pace, the music change according to the situation and underscore level of meaning with acoustic effect. Film music can also contrast with the plot and create ironic or parodistic effect. In both cases, the acoustic dimension act as integral element of film, intricately interwoven with features of the spatial and temporal dimension. As with the individual element treated in connection with the genre of fiction, poetry, and drama, the different dimensions of film can hardly be seen as self-contained entities. The isolation of element is only a helpful tool for approaching a complex work of art and can never fully account for all of its interventive subtleties. One must also be aware that very act of differentiating level and element of a genre is inevitably arbitrary and always remains subject to current trends, methodological approach, and the subjective preference of the person who complies them. I think enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.